Hello everybody. Now we will start our fourth chapter, memory, storage devices and data representation. As you remember, last time we see what is a binary number system. Anybody remember what is binary number system? How to data represent into computer? Today we are going to see binary number system. As last time I was explaining you, the binary number system means there are only two symbols, 0 and 1. Please underline this slide. Single binary digit is called a bit. And if you remember, I was told you that each bit equal to 1 byte, 1024 byte equal to 1 kilobyte, 1024 kilobyte equal to 1 megabyte, 1024 megabyte equal to 1 gigabyte, 1024 gigabyte equal to 1 terabyte. Now you will think, what is this bit, byte, kilobyte, gigabyte? I just want to explain you. We were learn in this chapter that computer will become popular because of its storage capacity. If there is no storage capacity, today we are not here for learn what is the computer. So whatever data stored in computer is calculated into binary bits. Now when you are going to purchase a new mobile or laptop, we see what is the storage capacity, what is the RAM capacity. I hope you will know when you are going to purchase mobile, you first check what is the camera, how camera is, 8 megapixel, 16 megapixel, 32 megapixel. Same way, what is the RAM capacity, 8 GB, 16 GB, 64 GB. So this, what is GB? When we are going to shop to purchase anything, give me 1 kg sugar. What is kg? Kg is the simple unit of count that product. Today we are going to see here what is binary number system. 1, 2, 3, 4 to 9, 0 to 9. This is called decimal number system. What is decimal number system? Because its base is 10. Base is 10. 10 means, suppose I write here 2356. What is the place value of 6? This is a 6 into 10 raised to 0. 10 raised to 0, that means this 0 is subscript. You know very well what is subscript. Plus 5 into 10 raised to 0. This all writing will be in superscript. We will do it normal. Only this 0 will be our superscript. Are you getting this point? 10 raised to 0 equal to 6. Its test value is 6. What is the place value of this 10 raised to 0? That means, sorry, it's not 0, it's 1. 10 raised to 1, 10. Any number raised to 0 equal to 1, and any number raised to 1 equal to same that number. So the place value of 5 is 50. Are you getting this point? Maybe you are confused. How this number is become 2000 plus 300 plus 50 plus 6. Am I right? 2000 means what? How 2000 come? 2 into 10 raised to, now I just write 10 into 10 raised to 3. 10 raised to 3, that means 10 into 10 into 10. 3 plus 3 into 10 raised to 2 plus 5 into 10 raised to 1 plus 6 into 10 raised to 0 plus, now all these raised to will be going to superscript. In maths, we already learned what is superscript and what is subscript. So this is called base value. Why I am writing here 10? Because this is a number by a decimal number system. Now I am going to explain you what is a binary number system. I hope you will be get the answer of 2356. 10 raised to 3, 1000 into 2, 2000. 10 raised to 200 into 3, 300 plus 10 raised to 1. 10 raised to 1 means 10 into 5 is 50 plus 6 into 10 raised to 0. Any number raised to 0, that means 1. 1 into 6 is 6. So we get the answer of 2356. Now I am going to explain you what is a binary number system. Bi means 2. In binary number system, there are only 2 digits, 0 and 1, because computer is an electronic machine. It's understand only on and off. Now, suppose I am going to write 5. What will be? This is my decimal number. Now you will be clear what is a decimal, what is a binary. When I will be press 5 with the help of keyboard, the binary value of it will be 101. Computer convert 5 to in 101. Now you will be asking, teacher, how is it possible? See, up to 0 decimal value, its binary value is also 0. When I am going to write 1, its binary value is also 1. When I am going to write 2, its binary value will be 10. Now you will be asking me, how teacher this is possible? Because in binary value 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 1 plus 0 equal to 1, and 1 plus 1 equal to 10. It's not 10, it's 10. 10, that means 2. See, in our binary, in our decimal number system, when we are increasing 1 by 1 value, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. Same way, 1 digit will be increased. In binary, 1 plus 1, what is the answer? 10. Are you getting this point? Remember, 1 plus 1, 10, and 0 plus 1 is 1. If you remember this formula, it will be easy to learn this. Now 2 plus 1 is 3. Now I will write here 1 as it is, and 10 plus 1. Now 1 plus 0, the value is 1. We will write the 3's binary value is 1, 1. It's not 11, it's 1, 1. I hope you will be understood it very well. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1. See. 1, 1 plus 1 equal to this one plus this one will be 10. So 0 will come here. Now 1 will be carry here. Again 1 plus 1, 10. So we will write here 100. So the value of 4 is 100. Are you getting this point? Now 5. Binary decimal 5's value is, we just add our 1 with this 0. So the value will be 101. 6. The 1 will be added at right number, last number 110. The value of 7 will be 111. The value of 8 will be 1000. Because 1 plus 1 0, 1 will be carry on. 1 plus 1 0. Again 1 will be carry. 1 plus 1 1 0. So the binary value of 8 will be the 100. The binary value of 9 is, just add 1. 1001. Binary value of 10 is 1010. I hope you will be get the what is the binary number system. See, the 101 represent in decimal number system can be right. Now see, here they are simply give what is the binary number system. How we learn the base of decimal number system is 10, right? We can write here. Same way, the base of binary number system is 2. Why 2? Because there are only 2 digits. Suppose I want to calculate the value of, I want to convert 5 into binary number system. So how we can convert 5? 5. See the simple value. You divide by 2. The answer will be 2. Remainder will be 1. Shall we divide 1 by 2? When we divided? No. So we can write 0 as it is. So the remainder is 1. So the value of 5 is 101. Reverse way. Is this right? 101. Same system explained in our textbook. Convert 44 into binary. Here the largest possible power value is 2 raised to 5. 2 raised to 5 is 32. Subtract 32. It's something different. See, this is a simple way. How we can divide, how we can convert decimal to binary. Their example is given here, 125. 125 divided by 2, 62 is answer, remainder is 1. Again we will divide 62 with 2, 31 is answer, remainder will be 0. We again divide 31 with 2, answer is 15, remainder will be 1. We again divide 15 by 2, answer will be 7, remainder will be 1. 2. 3 divided by 2, answer will be 1, remainder will be 1. Now we are not able to divide 1 with 2, so we can write 0 here. So the answer is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. So 125. The binary number of 125 decimal number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 101. See, 125 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1. Now we will check the decimal value of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 into 2 raised to 6 plus 1 into 2 raised to 5 plus 1 into 2 raised to 4. See, we are counting this. 1 into 2 raised to 5, 1 into 2 raised to 5, 1 into 2 raised to 4. Now this one, 1 into 2 raised to 3, 3